Hey, what's up? Sam here. So today, in this video, we are going to compare the difference of the Mi Band 6 and Mi Band 5. As I've already done a unboxing for walkthrough of the Mi Band 6. You can check out if you want. In this video, I only focus on the difference between the two. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first question you might have is, how is the weight? Did they have same weight? So this is the Mi Band 6. It weighs 12.7. This is the Mi Band 5. 12.1. The same. Feels the same. And the next question, since we took them off, you might wonder, is the strap swappable? Swappable. Yes, they're swappable. No issues found. Now, let's take a look at the display. And that's maybe one of the biggest difference between the 5 and the 6. So this is the Mi Band 6. It features 1.56 inch AMOLED display, where on the Mi Band 5, it features 1.1 inch AMOLED display. So the Mi Band 6 is almost 15% larger than the Mi Band 5. You can see much more information on the Mi Band 6. And speaking of that, I already adjusted the brightness of the bands to the highest. They both have a good screen brightness. That didn't change, both up to 450 nits. But the resolution on the Mi Band 6 is 152 by 486 pixels. It has 326 ppi. Where on the Mi Band 5 is 126 by 229 pixels. So it looks clearer on the Mi Band 6. Also for the battery, both feature 125 mAh. Both have up to 14 days of battery life. And then another big difference is the workout modes. Outdoor running, treadmill, walking, cycling, indoor cycling, rowing machine, elliptical, pool swimming, yoga, jump rope, freestyle, which is the same as its predecessor Mi Band 5. But if you click more, these are all new on the Mi Band 6. You get to see dance, indoor fitness, gymnastics, HIIT, core training, stretching, stepper, Pilates, basketball, volleyball, table tennis, badminton, cricket, bowling, boxing, kickboxing, street dance, Zumba, and ice skating. So it has 90 more than its predecessor. As you can see on the Mi Band 5, it has this kind of virtual button, and on the Mi Band 6, it doesn't have at all, just a full screen. So there is a little bit difference on the gesture control. Like when you click into the specific page, if you want to go back, you have to swipe right to get back. Where on the Mi Band 5, when you are in a specific page, you can click the home button to go back. But you cannot swipe to the home page. You have to press the button to go to the home page. So yeah, that's basically what the difference between the Mi Band 6 and the Mi Band 5. Yeah, I haven't had a chance to go outside to for the experience to review it. I'm unable to tell you the Mi Band 6 is becoming much better and worth upgrading or not. For that, I will do a detailed in-depth review later. And you can comment with what you want to know about the Mi Band 6. So yeah, that's a simple comparison video. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.